So today we're going to talk about this cell, or otherwise known as what you're made of. All right. So where do we find cells? And basically, they're found in every living organism. As I show you here, right here, this is a plant. Uh, and if we zoom in really, really close, about like a eukaryotic cell averages between the size of 10 nanometers to 100 nanometers. Anyway, so if you zoom in really, really close, really, really close, like really close, all right, like closer than the eye can see, we will be able to see something that is circularly round like this. And if we open up this, we will find an amazing world of this cell. Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to talk about what's inside this cell we're talking about right here. Alright, and just delete that real quick. Alright, so let me just get you a picture of this cell and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just came back from where I showed you guys where this cell can be found. But if you look right here, this is what's inside a cell. Alright, so if we let's start from the very core. Alright, and you can see right here, this is something like the yellow thing. What's that yellow thing? Alright, I just messed up with that. Alright, the yellow thing here is the nucleolus. Alright, and let me show you how you spell that. Nucleolus. It should be, I think 16. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing. Just fixing the font right here. Which doesn't really matter. It's not gonna affect the rest or anything. But this is the let me just double check my spelling. I think it was nucleolus. Okay, Nucleolus. Alright, that's the nucleolus. And right here, right after the nucleolus, you have the nucleus. Alright, let me just talk a little bit about like the basic functions. The nucleolus is just basically the center. I mean, I'm not gonna really go into depth what it does, but I mean, it's contained in the nucleus. So basically, the nucleus is the powerhouse, or like the nucleus is the mind of this cell. It controls everything. It has the chromosomes. It has the proteins. Those chromosomes. And sorry about my sneezing. I'm a little bit sick today. And anyway, so this is the nucleus. And the nucleolus, we're not gonna go into this video about their function because it's kind of like it's not really that important for now. But that's the nucleus. All right, and right here, we go around right here, and if you look at this weird something right here, all right. And that is the rough ER, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. But I'm not going to spell endoplasmic reticulum, so I'm just going to do rough ER. Actually, let me just write ER. ER is equal to let me just check my spelling again, because endoplasmic reticulum. Whoops, sorry. Reticulum, right? Reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. And so, if you go around, that's the rough ER. What it does, it helps with protein synthesis, otherwise known as making proteins. Alright? And so, what's this weird thing right here? Yeah, because it's really close to the Golgi apparatus, and so, that is the smooth ER, alright? And what is the smooth ER? Smooth ER. It's the same thing in the plasma reticulum. And what does the smoothie R do? It basically, wherever it is, it helps that place function. So in the stomach, it has different thing to do than inside, like let's say than inside like the heart or something like that. Anyway, right here you have the centrioles. All right, just because it's somewhere I don't know. The centrioles. All right, and just here, centrioles. And what this do is it helps with cell division, which we're gonna talk about later. And so, just not that important for now. We'll talk about that in cell division video. Alright. And this is the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria. Let's double check. Mitochondria. Alright, mitochondria. I'll go back and fix it if I find that out wrong later. But anyway, yeah, okay. Mitochondria. Okay. I spelled. Oops. Okay. It's just something that I'm not for now. Okay. Mitochondria. It's supposed to be an I right here, so I'm just gonna start with that. And let's do this and add an I in red. Okay. Mitochondria. Alright, and this is the powerhouse of the cell. It's where ATP is created. That's basically what it makes. And that's basically ATP is basically what powers everything. It's like electricity, but inside the cell. And so, if you look at the next objects, you can find these yellow strange looking things, and what they are is they are not the mitochondria but that other thing. Oops, just point at it. That's microtubules, alright, and I can't draw it right now, but it doesn't matter. Microtubule, alright, and microtubule. Alright, and what these do is they're basically like they basically help move things around the cell, and microtubules and this right here, the all around the green thing. Let me just point at like basically nowhere inside the cell because it's everywhere. Like this right here, like I'm talking about this right here. This is the cytoplasm, and what it does is the same thing, basically the same thing as mitochondria. Anyway, as microtubules, alright. And so the cytoplasm helps the microtubules move things around. It's basically the skeleton of the cell. It's where everything is contained inside the cell, and so if you move on, you're gonna find these strange looking green dots lying around, which are the ribosomes, and yes, they are contained inside the endoplasmic reticulum. So this same exact thing is contained inside the rough ER. I think I said reticulum. Alright, reticulum. Let me see. So that is the ribosomes, alright, and if we move on, you're gonna find this open weird thing, which you may not really know about, but we're learning here. So this is the lymosome, alright? And what this does is it contains a bunch of enzymes which help with destroying waste, like chewing down no, that's basically breaking down foods. Let's see here. What else does it do? It helps kill or eat up dead dead parts of the cell. It helps eat dead cells. So it has a bunch of functions. It just destroys everything. Uh, and so let's see right here. And this is the vacuum. Uh, this is the vacuum, right? And this yellow thing right here. Okay. And what do these vacuoles do, or what they are, is they contain water and waste. In plants, this is an animal cell, by the way, if I forgot to tell you. In plants, they are much bigger. Alright. Vacuole. Alright. I think I'll spell that right. Alright. Vacuoles. Alright. And so, and so. And so that's basically what this does. That's basically what the functions of the cell are and what they do, what the parts do. But just something that I didn't point out is this blue thing right here. All right, and if we make a better arrow first, point at it. This right here, the outside. What seems to be the outside. This is the the double uh, violet, what is it called? Bipolar membrane, I think it's called. And what this is the cell membrane. And cell membrane. And what does the cell membrane do is keep everything inside. It has a bunch of proteins on top of it. Let's say right here would have a protein, and that would be let's say for example this would be uh, uh, sodium potassium pump, which pumps potassium inside and sodium ions outside, and it just yeah, and it just helps move things around the cell. I mean inside and outside the cell, and some things that are small enough just to go through this cell membrane. And we're gonna talk about that later, but this is just a really basic structure. And let me show you guys a plant cell just to see the difference. Alright, so this is the plant cell, and as you can see right here, it is just a bunch of it's just this huge object. Let me actually use my pointer right here. It's just this object, this really massive object. And that is what the vacuole is. In plant cell, it contains a lot of water. That's why plants need a lot of water. It helps us store waste and whatnot. So that is the cell in the plant cell, and just the basic function now, and what they do for now. Alright, so whoops, just sorry if I'm blinding you right now. So I hope that was helpful. And I'll see you. Oh my god! I'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry.